This is lead. All trucks, report status. Over. Mikhail?
Ben? Anyone?
Report! Now! The says. Mikhail! Ben! Where are you? They left their trucks to find each other. A good instinct, a fatal mistake. The snow buries everything.
You don't walk, you fall, and you get up, and you fall again.
One press. That's all it takes. One signal. One last duty. One final request.
This is absurd. A farce. My wife needs her medication.
We are all in the same situation.
Anna, did you hear that? Before. From the East Wing.
The building is settling. It's old. Just stay together. We are safe here. The first rule of a crisis is order. Maintain routines, maintain control. But the hotel wasn't listening. Are those drag marks? Who's missing?
What is it? What made that?
Mrs. Gable. Room 214. She wasn't in the lobby.
What happens when the light goes out for good?
We still have the emergency lanterns.
Do we? Or is that just another one of your protocols?
You're hiding food, I know it. For you and your staff.
There are 3 cans of peaches left. That is all. For everyone.
People are disappearing, and you're counting peaches?
Panic is not a strategy for survival. What do you see? We can't stay here. We have to escape now. What happened? Where's the food?
Outside, the storm. It's better than in here.
Order was a lie. Control was an illusion. The hotel was a prison, and the sentence was death. How do we get out?